In this video, I'm going to show you how to engage and disengage the child lock on your Hyundai Elantra so that your child cannot open the door from inside. Now let's get started with the rear left door first. That's the slot from where you engage and disengage the child lock. All that you're going to need is your car keys. So get your car keys, put it in that slot over there, and then twist it left. The child lock is engaged. See that? I cannot open the door from inside now. Alright, now let's go disengage it. Put the key back in there and now twist it right. The child lock is disengaged. Now I should be able to open the door, and yes I can. Now let's go tackle the right side door. Again, it's the same size spot where the slot is. That's the slot there. Again, let's get the key, put the key in the slot, twist it right, the lock is engaged. And now I should not be able to open the door from inside. Let's try, and I cannot. Okay, now let's go disengage the lock. Put the key in, twist it left. I should be able to open the door now. And yes, I can. Perfect.